I was talking about the Kara that we serve. It is 4 times the price of a Dabur or a Saffola. And a lot of people ask me, why are you pricing it 4 times your brand like a Dabur and a Saffola? But I had to, because our products were that clean. And clean products cannot be sold at a mass pricing. But it still goes into Indigo. It used to go to Vistara. It is still one of our hero products because we made that product that good. And we do get a whole lot of repeats on that one product that we do. The additional value add that was, we also made sure that it didn't taste bad, जो कि सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हुआ करती थी.